concept of Tapasya is so potent, and I'm so excited to share it with you. But every time, let's say, for example, you go to a yoga asana class and you get into a pose that's hard, and you're kind of like shaking and you're sweating a little, and you're like, oh wow, this is testing me, right? That's a little form of Tapasya. It's generating spiritual heat through engaging with something difficult on purpose. So it's basically saying to the universe, I could be sitting here totally just comforted out, snacking on Doritos, like in my PJs all day if I wanted to. But I'm choosing to put on clothes, go out the door, go to the yoga class, get into the heart position when I don't have to. No one's forcing me, right? But I'm choosing that. Why? To build heat. It's that internal heat. Well, the idea is just that for our purposes, that when we decide to do something hard and generate that internal heat through Tapasya, through choosing for ourselves something that's difficult, walking into the flame, the universe pays attention to us and then gives us power, but power for good. So when we do something difficult and then we have that extra power within us, we can then choose to serve others, make the world a better place, rather than just like asking for power just for power's sake. Like, oh, I just want $1 million or whatever, something shallow. Maybe, although, side note, maybe if you're going to open up a great children's hospital with $1 million, you need $1 million. But so I shouldn't knock that as an option. But so yeah, it's this idea of Tapasya is choosing for ourselves something that resonates for us, that's hard, that we know, but also that we know that is reachable and attainable. So it's like a perfect balance between like, ooh, this will stretch me, but not too much that I just break. Right? Because have you ever made a vow or promise that was just ridiculously too hard, like a New Year's resolution, and then you're in a week you're over it, you know? So that was perhaps too hard of a resolution. So, yeah, just thinking for yourself every time you get in a situation. Maybe it's visiting the in-laws at Christmas, or maybe it's doing something you really don't have to do, but you're choosing to do it because you know that it will help you grow in some way. Just think in your mind, I am engaging in Tapasya right now, and that's really important, and that will help me.